Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight, I'm going to talk about indefinite pronouns. The indefinite pronouns do not refer to a specific person, place, or things. In English, there is a particular group of indefinite pronouns with quantifiers or distributive preceded by any, some, every, and no. Pronouns ending in one or body are used to refer to people. Pronouns ending in things are used to refer to things, and pronouns ending in word are used to refer to places. Unidentified pronouns are somebody, someone, something, somewhere. All in our groups are everybody, everyone, everything, everywhere. Negative meaning nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere. Negative and question anybody, anyone, anything, anywhere. Now I'm going to tell you an example using the indefinite pronouns. I will start first with the unidentified. I would like to go somewhere this summer. Someone gave me this book. He saw something in the garden. Could somebody help me, please? It's a request. Now, all in a group. Haven't you looked everywhere? Isn't everyone here? I gave everything to Sally. Almost everybody has a cell phone this day. Negative and question. I won't tell you secret to anyone. I don't have anything to eat. She didn't go anywhere last week. I don't have anybody to talk to. Neutral. Now, negative meaning. I have nobody to talk to. Hopeless. No one is sleeping in my bed. There was nothing we could do. Defensive, angry. And there is nowhere as beautiful as Paris. Okay guys, this was all for tonight. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I upload a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursdays. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.
Touch mine.